Frekvenca za logistiko slovenskega logističnega združenja.
Okay. So, Richard Terme, you spoke on the conference about the Fjord friend collaboration between salmon feed producers Cargill and Skretting in Norway. So the best practice was that. Tell us more about that best practice.
Yes, of course. So basically it is a collaboration among competitors, which is not something very usual. But we are both competing in Norway, and we have decided to share our outbound delivery, so from our factories to our customer. And these outbound deliveries is made by vessel. So we are using the same vessel in order to optimize our footprint and to increase the efficiency. That's basically what the logistic coordination or cooperation is about.
So you were the advisor to those two companies?
No, I'm part of Cargill, and I'm the global supply chain lead for Cargill. So I'm one of the party, but effectively in the cooperation, we are with a competitor, Skretting, and we felt the need to have a trusty party, a trusty role, which is a company called Primeru, and they are helping us to make sure that we are building processes and mechanisms which are compliant with the law and with the antitrust competition law.
So the Primeru is actually a third objective party not involved in any of these companies.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
To be accurate, we have in fact four parties. We have Skretting and Cargill. We are the customer from the community. Then we have a neutral coordinator, which is Primeru. And finally, we have a logistic operator, the one owning the vessel and delivering the service, which is a Norwegian company called SLZ.
So was it difficult to accept that idea? Did it go smoothly, or were there any problems?
It was, let's say, when something like that occurs, so when you enter in cooperation, you need to face something. And you need to face change. So all the change is happening and you need to react, or you are anticipating a change. And then you are, because it's coming, you say, we need to be ready when it will be there. We had an event, as I was saying, in 2012, a salmon producer decided to build his own feed factory. So all of a sudden, what a big portion of the feed activity disappear from the market because it was a vertical integration. This triggered a long journey and a long, let's say, investigation to see how we could optimize our footprint. And this was the beginning of, let's say, this cooperation.
So the footprint was the main objective.
Yes, absolutely. It was, the need to be more efficient from asset utilization point of view was definitely the starting point of it.
So how did it go along? How long did it take? What did you do?
Yeah. So as I was telling you, so the starting point was this, let's call it reshuffle of the market in 2012. And then, the agreement involving the logistic provider SLZ, the neutral coordinator Primeru, Skretting and Cargill has been signed in 2019. So you can do the math. We spent 5 years trying to find a model, investigating, discussing to finally have the right setup, which is live since 2019. So it's now 5 years.
So how big a push was the COVID, the Russian crisis, war? Are these the factors that influence such a decision?
Not really. It was really, the salmon feed market in Norway is a specific market. Of course, we are sourcing product from all over the world as a raw material, but fundamentally, it's really a market dynamic, and it was related to what was happening in the market.
So what about the data which is exchanged between the competitors, actually?
The fact, as a matter of fact, because we are competitor, we need to build what we call a Chinese wall between what is commercially sensitive as an information we don't want to share and what we can share. And this is exactly why we have this neutral coordinator as part of the community, which is called Trivisor. They are helping us. They have view on everything. And so they are the one guiding us with our lawyers to make sure that what we share can be shared and that we are not breaching or not, let's say, being compliant from a legal point of view. So from data standpoint, we have visibility on what is related to our business and our activity. We have no view as a Cargill on what Skretting is doing, and the opposite is also true.
Is there anything that you would do differently now after 5 years?
It's a good question. We can always look back and say we could have been faster. But I think this type of project of collaboration needs time to mature. You need to have people alignment. You need to make sure that the trust factor, which was a discussion in the session, is for me something which is, in this case, absolutely mandatory, and it takes time to be built.
So what were the savings?
We, as a company, we are not communicating on the saving, but what I can tell you is that one of the objectives of the association or the coordination was to reduce our carbon footprint. And after, let's say, 5 years, and if we take as a reference the carbon footprint we had as two separated company operating their logistic in 2017, and we compare it with 2023, so last year, we have been able to reduce our footprint by 20%.
So we are now talking about the footprint of the ship.
Absolutely.
That was taking the cargo.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah.
So if we look at the CO2 emission by ton, the reduction is 20%.
How long is this path that the ship is taking?
It's variable, but after a loading, it can take up to 5 days to come back. So it's not one single delivery, but it's a multi-drop delivery. So the ship is, let's say, loading 1,500 tons and then has multiple stops at different fish farm on the sea.
Is there a way that you actually change this agreement? You go out of it? Are you liberated to do that, or is it fixed?
It's an agreement. So, of course, you have the way to step out. There is a mechanism which is allowing us to do that. It's definitely not what we want to do. We are very positive on this collaboration. We believe it's a right step to take. And the idea is potentially if we can go deeper or if we can go further in this cooperation.
So what is good about this model?
But, the good thing is that if we look at the carbon footprint, we have a very positive effect. If we have a positive effect on the carbon footprint, it's because we have a better utilization of the ship, of the vessel. So at the end, we have also a saving, which is, let's say, in relation with the better utilization. And the last positive effect is that because we are two feed manufacturer and we are giving our volume to one logistic provider, he has the visibility to invest and maintain the fleet, which is something which is very expensive and need to have a long-term view. So in that way, we are ensuring our business continuity, I would say, by making sure that we will have the means to operate in the future.
Well, although Norway is not in the European Union, did you get any European funds to enforce this cooperation?
Yes, at the beginning, effectively, the European Union was subsidizing and supporting this cooperation. Absolutely.
So how would you suggest Slovenia goes to that way of cooperation? Because cooperation is a tough cookie, tough question in Slovenia.
Yeah, but I think it's, everything starts with people and with a connection and with trust factor.
Yeah.
I think that's one element. The other element probably is related to the authority. They need to be aware of what is happening. Of course, they will never tell you, okay, you are a competitor. It doesn't matter if you don't compete. You need to be competitor and you need to know what you can share, what you cannot, what you can do and what you cannot do. But it's important to have them on board, to give them the visibility and potentially to have them supporting what you are doing.
Did the government, Norwegian government, help you, support you?
It didn't subsidize or in any way, but we. It was one of the things we wanted to do is to have the authority aware of what we were doing. So we have presented them the project, we have explained, and they have supported.
What would you suggest Slovenia how to do in this cooperation field?
I don't know the Slovenian business and economy, but I can tell you that in Norway, the seafood business is the second biggest business of the country. So I think in Slovenia, you have probably very strong, very big activity or industry. Yeah. And I think that's where you need to investigate to potentially share assets and have a better utilization of them.
Okay. Do you have any assessment of the Slovenian Logistical Association and this Congress?
I think the topic, which has been, to be honest, it's the first time for me for being part of this Congress. I found it absolutely relevant and absolutely on spot. If I look at the topic we have discussed about the trend for the future and what is next, I think it's a perfect agenda.
So what is next?
What is next? I think it's exactly what we are talking let's say today is cooperation, logistic cooperation. Yes. That's definitely need to be cracked on. And then everything related to the digitalization.
Okay. Well, Mr. Richard Terme, thank you very much for your comments.
Thank you.